Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Lexus RX 350, a luxury mid-size SUV that perfectly blends bold design, advanced technology, and refined performance. Lexus has reimagined the RX 350 for this model year, elevating every aspect from its striking exterior and spacious, tech-packed interior to a powerful yet efficient turbocharged engine. The exterior of the 2026 Lexus RX 350 is a bold statement of modern luxury and dynamic design, showcasing Lexus's distinctive styling philosophy with a fresh, confident twist. From the moment you see it, the vehicle's presence is undeniable, anchored by the prominent spindle grille that has been reimagined to appear larger and more sculpted, giving the front end a powerful and aggressive look without losing the refined elegance Lexus is known for. At the rear, the RX 350 carries over its modern look, with sleek LED taillights connected by a slim light bar, a subtle rear spoiler, and a refined bumper design that integrates exhaust outlets stylishly without overwhelming the clean lines Lexus is known for. Interior design. Inside the 2026 Lexus RX 350, you're immediately welcomed into an environment that feels less like an SUV cabin and more like a modern luxury lounge. Quiet, refined, and designed around both driver and passenger comfort. Lexus has taken great care to elevate the interior materials and craftsmanship, wrapping nearly every surface in soft-touch materials, supple leather, or premium trims like open-pore wood and satin-finished metal. The seats are not only stylish, but exceptionally supportive, with available heating and ventilation in both the front and rear rows, a rare luxury in this segment. The driver's seat offers multiple power adjustments, lumbar support, and memory settings to ensure an ideal fit every time you get behind the wheel. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Lexus RX 350 strikes a confident balance between power, efficiency, and refinement, a combination that reflects Lexus's ongoing commitment to delivering a smooth yet engaging driving experience. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, offering a noticeable boost in low-end responsiveness compared to the previous generation's V6. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain delivers smooth, timely shifts and makes highway merging, uphill climbs, and city driving feel effortless. The RX 350's chassis has been re-engineered for greater rigidity and handling precision, resulting in a more connected feel through corners, while maintaining the plush, quiet ride Lexus is known for. Drivers can choose between front-wheel drive or an available all-wheel drive system, which adds extra traction and control in wet or slippery conditions, perfect for drivers in varying climates. Adding to the versatility is Lexus's Drive Mode Select, allowing the driver to switch between Eco, Normal, and Sport modes to fine-tune throttle response, steering weight, and shift mapping based on driving conditions or personal preference. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Lexus engineering, and the 2026 RX 350 takes that commitment to the next level with the latest generation of the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, a suite of advanced driver assistance technologies designed to help prevent accidents and reduce the burden of everyday driving. At the heart of the system is a refined pre-collision system that can now detect not only vehicles, but also pedestrians, cyclists, and even motorcyclists in a wider range of lighting and weather conditions. It actively alerts the driver and can apply automatic emergency braking if a potential collision is detected. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and road sign assist further enhance awareness in every direction, while the advanced park system uses sensors and cameras to automatically steer the RX into parallel or perpendicular parking spots with minimal input from the driver. In conclusion, the ideas explored throughout this essay highlight the complexity and importance of the topic at hand. From the initial discussion of its background and causes to the examination of its current impact and possible future consequences, it becomes evident that this issue demands both awareness and action. The evidence presented shows that it is not only relevant in academic or theoretical contexts, but also in real-world situations that affect people's daily lives. As we reflect on the key arguments and insights shared, it is important to recognize our own responsibility in addressing such challenges, whether through education, advocacy, or simple everyday decisions. The deeper understanding gained through this exploration encourages us not just to observe passively, but to think critically and act thoughtfully. Ultimately, true progress begins when we not only acknowledge the problems around us, but also commit to being part of the solution in meaningful and lasting ways. Thanks for joining the time to explore this topic with me. I hope it gave you something to think about and maybe even inspired a new perspective. Whether you agree or not, the most important thing is to stay curious, keep asking questions, and never stop learning. Until next time, take care and keep pushing forward.